Thank you for joining me in another episode of Jendell Overland. Today we're going to take these side pieces off and we're going to put some side steps on made by DV8. So join me. Now it'll just slip right off. And this one will slip right back in to the exact same spots, so there's no drilling involved. So we're losing daylight, but I finally finished. This is the finished product. Tell me what you think of Jendell and how she looks. All in all, it took about 30 minutes for uninstall and install, so it goes pretty quick. Thank you for joining me here at Jendell Overland. That's it for this week's installation video. Tune in again next week and we're going to be installing some pod lights there and some lights up at the A-pillars. So please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next week, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.